Are you facing challenges in yield, efficiency, and stability in fields such as new energy vehicles and humanoid robots? Honest Automation provides R&D, manufacturing, and delivery of equipment for DC brushed and brushless motor stator and rotor winding, assembly, and welding. From motor prototyping, standalone machines, semi-automatic and fully automatic motor production lines, to stator, rotor, and cap, and humanoid robot assembly lines. Our solutions cover industries including automotive, humanoid robotics, medical, power tools, aerospace, and home appliances. We have established overseas offices in India, South Korea, the United States, Argentina, Brazil, Vietnam, Malaysia, Russia, as well as Suzhou and Chengdu in China, providing localized global support. Proven by data, we ensure stable delivery capabilities, supported by a global service network across multiple countries. If you are looking for motor prototyping or mass production automation solutions, feel free to contact our technical experts for customized solutions and product catalogs.